Hi, and welcome back. My name is Alna from twinsmommy.com, and for today I'm going to show you how to create a course on Teachable. So if you are wondering what is a good way to start making money online, it is creating a digital product. And the best one is a course. You can see all my featured courses right here. I have these courses here. The easy keyword guide is not a course, it's a guide. But I have the masterclass as a course. I have the affiliate post workflow as a course. These ones, the sample kit is a course as well. And if you keep on going, you can see there's more courses, a course, lots of courses here that I have. Here are graphics. I'm selling a digital product of graphics here. And this is an old course that I no longer promote. And then here's something free here. So I have free things here. I have paid things here. I have courses mostly, but I also have digital products like templates. These are graphics here. I have PDF guide or a little ebook here. And then I'm also selling my Pinterest ebook right here as a digital download. All right, so for today, I thought I could share with you how to create a course. Now, there are two ways you can do this. So starting on Teachable is quite easy. All you got to do is click on the button to start for free if you want, or you can log in if you already have an account with Teachable. Now, you're going to have an account with Teachable if you are a student of Teachable, of someone offering a course on Teachable. But you do need to sign up to be a user of Teachable as well. So they do offer a free plan. It's highly limited. So I suggest that you go with something a little bit more robust, the basic or the pro. I'm on the pro. I think it's the best one they offer. You do get more options to publish more courses or sell more things. With the basic, you're only limited to 5 products. I feel that's still highly limited. So my suggestion is to start with the basic and then have plans to move up to the pro is what I think. But definitely do what works for you. Teachable wants you to sign up using the free option to sign up for free here. You can start for free, but see if you can pick one of these plans instead. I do have a special link to sign up to Teachable. So I appreciate if you use my link to sign up. There is no cost to you, but it does help me in the long run. So once you sign up, you fill in your information and then you fill out what you want to start with. Do you want to start with a course? Do you want to start with a digital product, a membership, a community? Pick a course, and you're going to pick a course and then get into your own school. So I'll show you my school. So this is my school right now. It's the dashboard behind it. So you can work when you are a user of Teachable and you want to create courses. This is what you're going to be working off of, this dashboard here. On one side is the menu. Then you have the sales that you get and then the people who enrolled in your things or bought your things. So we're going to go down to courses here under products, courses for today, and we're going to click on new course. Okay, so for the first time person, it's going to be a little bit different, but you'll have guidance to finding the new course section. So once you click on that, we should all be on the same page. Now, what I'm going to show you, there are 2 ways to do this. You can do this by adding a module and a lesson one by one, or you can use something like AI to help you create that course. So I think that's pretty cool. Let's first do just the basic way of creating a course. So let's just do all about Pinterest marketing. I'm going to DTIC help to get started with AI, and we're just going to do this on our own to see what it looks like. All right, so we're going to, again, they're prompting us to build from scratch with AI or to copy lessons from existing course, which we don't have because we're brand new to this, right? So we're going to build from scratch. You can also bulk upload, it looks like, if you have lots of files. So let's say you already created tons of videos, you can bulk upload here. But, I don't think a lot of people who want to start a course have all that existing material that's ready to go. So I still like building from scratch, and you can put those PDFs, those little guides in the course when you're building it. So let's build from scratch. So here we have sections. Those are modules. Those are the big chapters of your book or of your course. So usually I have a welcome section. So I'll start with welcome. Under welcome is the lesson. So I can say, welcome new pinners. Okay. And I'm going to save that. That's my lesson here. It's empty, right? But I'm going to just build out the outline of my idea of all about Pinterest marketing. So that's the first module is welcome. Then you want to create a new module or section. And so you need to sort of in your mind decide how you're going to structure this course. Now you can structure this course as one main module and have one main video. I call those masterclasses. I'll have a welcome module, and then I'll have all about Pinterest marketing, the title of the masterclass or course, and then have one lesson, which is the video that's like an hour long or 3 hours long, and then maybe a workbook. So you can have a course like that, which is just one main video, or you can split up your course with text lessons and video lessons to make it comprehensive. You can also add guides, and I'll show you all of that. So let's do that way. Let's build a robust, a comprehensive course. So we have welcome new pinners. Let's just do one whole section for your Pinterest profile. So I'm going to call it Pinterest profile, and then I'm going to break that up into little mini lessons. You have your Pinterest title, so we'll have a lesson on that. We'll have a lesson on Pinterest bio. And let's say those are the main things here. And then I'm going to add a workbook. So I'm going to talk about it, maybe do a video showing you and demonstrate all this stuff. But then I want you to have a workbook that goes into what I talked about. So I can have the Pinterest profile workbook. So we have that. So within the lesson here, you can add content. You can add, just make it a text lesson. You can add a video. So if you published a video, you can have a video. For text, it just looks like this. Here you can also enable AI to help you with the text. This is Pinterest title, and I can say, you know, like I can go on and then share this lesson and the steps here, right? And it'll just save it like that, right? So that's my lesson. I'm not going to publish this yet. I'm not going to publish anything yet until everything is completely finished in the course. So then I can move on to the next step, right? To go back, I go back to curriculum. I can go here now to, let's say the bio is a video. So I'm going to click on the video, and then I'm going to drag a video. I'm going to just drag a video here, and it's going to take time to upload once I press upload. All right. So when it does that, it still needs to process. So video does take a little bit longer, but you can upload it somewhat quickly, and then it takes a bit longer for it to process. And so what you can do is just wait till this is done, and then you can move on to the next lesson and the next lesson, dumping your videos in. Okay. All right. So once it uploads, the video is now processing, and that could take a while. It says here, no problem. We're going to go and move on. So the next one is a workbook. So with a workbook, I'm going to add a PDF viewer. So out of all my courses, I mainly use the text and images block, the video block, and the PDF viewer. I have not used any of these blocks, but feel free to explore. And also these things, having a quiz at the end, maybe we can venture and try something like that. So here's a PDF, and we're going to just drop a PDF that we have as a PDF, and then we're going to upload it, and we just drag it onto here and upload it. All right, now we have the PDF in our lesson. I always show the download link so that people can download the PDF guide that I have for them. So I can preview this. So this is what it looks like to them. They have it in this little window here, and then here's the download link. They can download the whole book themselves and read it on their own time, rather than going and logging into their Teachable account, finding your course, and then finding the lesson for this. Okay, so we have something like that. All right, so those are the options to create each of your lessons. What we can do is add maybe a quiz. So we can just do like a quiz and see what that looks like. So if I want to have a quiz at the end of my module or my section, let's do quiz here. So write my questions here and then my answers. I don't know what keywords, related board names, something like that. I'll just say done. Let's just do related as the name. Okay, that's question 1. And then I can add another question. How long should your Pinterest bio be? 1 sentence. And I'll say 2, done, and save quiz. So let's preview that and see what it looks like. Awesome. So they get a quiz at the end of their module to make sure that they're learning, and then they can decide. I'm going to do drop down. I'm going to check. That's wrong. So that's cool. It's interactive. That's kind of neat. That's something I haven't done yet in my digital products. So that's a new thing that I haven't used, and maybe you want to use it. Always go to your side menu if you're lost, to go to your curriculum to see like the view of your entire course here. All right. And then you can create a new section. So in my course, after you have the Pinterest profile, you need your Pinterest boards. And then after that, you need Pinterest SEO maybe, and then Pinterest pin design. I can have lots of different sections. And within each section, I can have text lessons, video lessons, workbooks, and quizzes, which I think is pretty cool. All right, so we have this way of creating a course, but like I said, I mentioned there's another way to create a course. So let's create a new product. Let's create a course and let's use AI this time. So for this one, we're going to do YouTube starter kit and we're going to continue. And then I need to describe the course. So technically you should already have an idea of what you want to teach. You want to give guidance to the AI assistant so that it can create the right modules or sections and the right lessons. I want to share how to start a successful YouTube channel. I want to share YouTube SEO tactics. All right, so I just have some general things and let's see what it comes up with. I have starting the channel, sharing tactics for SEO, video ideas, and whether or not to have a niche. We're going to have it generate a course. Could take a bit of time. All right. And so we go down to curriculum and here we are. We already have it. So we have getting started. So we have the introduction. We have understanding, exploring ideas. These are all the things that I just mentioned. So let's see what else it says here. Creating high quality content. So planning and researching ideas, developing and filming, techniques for engaging, retaining viewers. These are nice. Eye-catching thumbnails. So here's optimizing channel growth. So we have keywords, traffic, promoting, collaborating, engagement and monetization. Awesome. Analyzing and improving performance. And conclusion. That's a really comprehensive YouTube course that someone who is a YouTuber wants to create a course, wants to promote it on their channel, they can use AI to help them. And what's even neater is that if you go into these, it already has the text for you. It has the ideas for you right here. So you can use these ideas to create a video out of, or you can use this to riff off of, like, oh, okay, I like these ideas. I'm going to add this instead and add that instead. I'm going to take away this or add this. So I think that's pretty neat how I can quickly create a new course using AI that can help me decide if this is what I want to teach. If I realize like, wow, there's a lot to this topic that I don't know, then maybe that's not the type of course to create, or just to create like a primer course, a beginner course. So it might just focus on this one section can be your one course. And over time, you can add these other sections to create another course. So there's lots of ideas here to help you as a YouTuber, content creator, blogger, to create a course on Teachable and start making money. Once you have the course here, you need to also create the pricing and the sales page. So under pricing here, you need to add a pricing plan. You can have it free, a one-time purchase, or a payment plan. I usually do one-time purchase. And so for this YouTube course, I can make it $197. And then the name of the course, I think, was YouTube. I have a short description and then, all right, do something like that. I'm going to add the pricing plan and there. So now I have the pricing plan here. And then under sales pages, this is where I can start customizing and creating my sales page. So I just go to edit here. And this is where you can start creating what it's going to look like. So on my Teachable account, what that's going to be, it's going to look like this. I'm going to have the image behind it. I'm going to name it. And then I'm going to write text here, add blocks and all of that. So I have that. And I'm sorry if you can hear purring, that's my cat. So that's what you're going to do. So you create the page, you can edit the banner, put a new background image if you want, and then the design, you can change the color, text if you want it on one side or not. So there's lots of customization here. And then you can click on this block and edit that block and all of that. So, and then the design, here's more customization here. You can delete the blocks here. So here you can add another image if you want. You can delete this block if you want. You can have a different layout. So there's a lot of fun things to look at and decide how you want to present your page. So once you have that and you have your sales page, you have your checkout page, and then you can also edit your thank you page as well. So there you go. That's how you create your first course using Teachable. I've been using Teachable for many years, and one of the greatest things about that is that you can have an affiliate program with your courses, and Teachable will handle all the taxes for your affiliates, which is really nice since I'm not in the States. I'm in another country, and so it's harder to handle affiliates for people in the States and other countries. So Teachable handles all of that, which is really nice. And I'm able to have lots of digital products besides courses. I can have digital downloads like ebooks. I can even do memberships or communities if I wanted to. I could have coaching now. So there's lots of abilities. If I wanted to open up Pinterest management under Teachable, I can. If I wanted to do membership for maybe my YouTube subscribers and do a special membership for them, I can. I can do all this now with Teachable. So if you're interested, use my link to sign up, see what it's all about, and tell me about your course if you have one, or if you want to create one, or if you have an ebook on Teachable or workbook, or you do coaching. Let me know. I want to hear all about it. Make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.